Hello friend, welcome to our tutorials. Now today I am going to discuss spherical trigonometry. This chapter has degree 5th semester general mathematics. Today's topic is relation between three sides and two angles, or shortly say sine cosine formula. Now today I am establish sine cosine formula. Look at the board. Sine cosine formula. So otherwise is called relation between three side and two angle of a spherical triangle. So shortly say sine cosine formula. Now today I am establish sine cosine formula. So solution. At first we take a triangle A B C be any spherical triangle. So let A B C be any spherical triangle. So let us produce side BC to D. Now I am produce side BC to D. So BD equal to 90 degree, and then when ABC triangles and BC produce to D, then CD equal to BD minus BC. Now easily I am numbering this side AB, BC and AC. BC means let small a, AC means small b, and AB means small c. Then shortly CD equal to BD minus BC. Then BC equal to, we know BC equal to A, then and BD equal to 90 degree. Then directly we wrote BD equal to 90 degree minus A, and angle ACD equal to 180 degree minus C. So now we joined A and D by great circle are using sine cosine formula in. So at first we joined A and D. At first we join A and D. Now we using great circle are using sine cosine formula. That great circle means A, D, B. So we joined A and D by great circle are using sine cosine formula in triangle A, D, B. So we know the basic of sine cosine formula. Then today I am directly write AD. AD means cos AD. Cos AD equal to cos C cos 90 degree plus sin 90 degree cos capital B. So or cos C cos 90 degree plus sin 90 degree, then directly we write sin C cos capital B, numbering this 1. This equation needs numbering 1, cos AD. So anyone need to note down this, skip the video and write, because these both are very small, so I need to whipping this side. So I am cleaning this side. Again using sine cosine formula in triangle. Now ADC. So similarly I am write AD. AD means cos AD. Cos AD equal to, directly I am writing sin A cos B minus cos A sin B and cos 180 degree minus C. So we write sin A cos B cos A sin B and cos capital C. Okay, this one 2. This equation number is 2. Now I am cleaning this. So now I am write from 1 and 2 we get 1 equal to sin C cos capital B and 2 equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B and at last cos capital C. So this is the formation of sine cosine. So now I am write which is the required formula. So its other name is 3 side and 2 angle, and simple is a sine cosine formula. So see how simple it is, how easily I am establish this formula. So now I am going to say, today I am solve one similar problem. See the board. Let's take an example. Prove that a plus b plus c greater than twice pi. So similarly direct I am going to solution. So let at first similarly I am take a spherical triangle A B C. So let A B C be any spherical triangle. So similarly now I am produce BC to let B dash. So now I am joined A and B dash. A and B dash. So therefore AB plus BAB. At first we need to know BAB dash equal to pi and BCB dash equal to pi. Then therefore AB dash plus BC B dash, AB dash plus CB dash greater than AC. See this triangle ACB dash, then AB dash C plus CB dash and greater than AC. So now I am both side plus AB plus BC, then AB plus BC and this plus AB dash plus CB dash, this B dash greater than AC means AC already AC plus this plus AB plus BC. Now we write the separation AB plus AB dash plus AB plus BC plus BC B dash greater than AC plus AB plus BC. Then directly write small a plus B plus C. Then I am already know A B dash means pi and B C B dash means pi. Then AB plus AB dash means pi plus BC plus CB dash means pi greater than A plus B plus C. Now pi plus pi equal plus twice pi greater than A plus B plus C. Just proved. So guys, this video is complete. So just I would like to say, if you love this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon and allow the all notification for next time see the video for first time.